Myntri Rangbah Conrad ke Sangma haka khat khandai tarik Nailur pynpaw ya ke jingkmen kaba khraw ya ke rai nongialam ke North East United Football Club ban Plie ya ke Jaka Hikai Football ha Shillong kaba ong kan kyntiew ya ke jingroi bat jingkiew irat ke ni ke jingialehkai ha ke ni ke Jylla Uloong be ke jingiatrei lang jong ke North East United bat kiwei bat ki club ke Jylla kan kyntiew ya ke jingiatrei lang na ke bynta ban ra ya ke kyrdan jong ke football ha Meghalaya shaki kynjang kiba shajrong Hakani ka jinga kendo o Conrad ula batai lingkot ye kijing temu juga sarkar bat kini ke klub ban sedang ye kijing hikai na duk tenrai kata kalong ban jiet iki kena ki badang rit kerta ban penroi bat penjana ye kisap ki phong jongki Ula ongru bikino yalam ka North East United kila UI Shai ye kasap jeng ki Samla na gani ka Jylla ha ka jingialehkai football Dei na gani ka daw kino yalam kani ka klub ki kwa baki thrang ban kyntiew ye ka football ha Meghalaya Hakani ke sengi lalek kemen kerpang ru ya kejing job final jong ke North East United kum ke champion ha ke Durand Cup ke badang shudep dang shen hanong ba Kolkata. Kani kejing job kalau long ke history sa anam na ke than lam mi ngi berok ke wei laong Myntri Rangbah ke Meghalaya. Ya kejing play ke training academy bat media day lekar shan ke sports and youth welfare ke department Meghalaya ke Meghalaya Football Association bat ke tourism department ke Jylla. Kibami khamat na ka North East United hakani kasngi kilong umandar tamhane CEO Uhan Pedro Benali kinoilehkai redeem lang Michel Zabako bat upar thep gogoy
Cup is it's got a different branding to it and a different kind of a feel to it. So yeah, it's a legacy, exactly. So winning the Durand Cup is really a great honor, I should say. And you guys played extremely well. I didn't miss out on most of the matches, and so it was very well played, and so you all deserved it. And we're very happy that finally at least team from Northeast has managed to win this particular tournament. So I once again on behalf of our government and our state would like to congratulate all of you for this great. Second, of course, we really look forward to the future, and football is I think you must have seen may not be on the right side at that particular day, but you must have seen the kind of passion that our youth have and our people have for football. So therefore, we really look forward to in the future to a lot of positive outcomes with ISL, and with of course the Northeast United partnering with us in our state. And it's not just about the games, but it's about the larger impact that we will see, especially for people who love football, and especially for our youngsters who would like to see one day wearing that jersey, who would dream of wearing that jersey and playing with some of you, and and maybe representing the country also at the top level. So really, that's what we are looking at. It's a much bigger and larger picture for us. And we are very hopeful that with Northeast United, with other clubs also, from the state, from the region also coming together, that Meghalaya will be a very important hub for football. And of course, with the setting up of the academy out here, I'm sure that is going to be a big boost to football as a whole. We are also coming up with a lot of programs at the grassroots level for picking up talent at the young age and to promote them at the young age. So there's going to be a lot of things happening, and we look forward to partnership with all of you. So you're not just playing for Northeast United, but you're also now playing for Meghalaya and the youngsters. So you're partnering and motivating your icons for the youth of our state and the region. So that's what we want you to see yourself as. And I'm sure that with your participation, all of this will be achieved. So thank you once again, and I wish you all the very best. Okay. Yeah, let's have a group photo.
Different countries, and two of our young best players from Northeast, Gogai and Talang. A comparison with the Spanish and the ex-players that you should be playing.
As coach says, it's to compare different countries. It's difficult, but I think that Indian football is growing up fast. I think they are doing good things. I saw, as he said, they have a good competition. They take care of every single detail. now clubs are starting to make a reserve team and many things under them. They are looking anywhere for new football guys very young. So I think that in not many years, India will make a big step.
Can you tell us the difference between last season ISL and this season ISL? The preparation, the training.
It's a big difference. If you see the team when we arrived here, we changed many players. We started growing from the first training. I think that we have worked a lot in tacticals issues. Every single day we work about it. Also, I think that we have more confidence if we look 1 year before. So I think that the team is in the right way.